Hi Motiri, and welcome to your second homophone video this week. We're talking about there, and there this time. There's three different sorts, so let's get started. The there, spelled T-H-E-R-E, is an adverb and shows where something is. You notice that there's a word here inside it, so it's like a place. Here's a kite, here's a young boy, and he's telling his girl, who's very upset, that her kite is over there. And the girls go, but there is no way I can reach it. There, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E is a contraction. It's a really quick way of saying they are. And the young boy there is saying they're good at flying kites. They are good at flying kites. They're good at flying kites. There, it's got an I in it. There, T-H-E-I-R, is a possessive adjective and it belongs. Like an I is a me, so it has to belong to somebody or a person or an animal. So there's some girls with their kites and they took their kites to the park. Who took the kites? The girls did. The kites belong to the girls. So, working out strategies. So, you can ask yourself some questions. Does something belong to something? And if it belongs to somebody, then it is T-H-E-I-R. It's got the I in it. Is it about a place? Then you say it's there. And that's got like the word here in it. So that can help you. And when you say they are, does it make sense? And if it does make sense, you write they apostrophe us, R-E. So these are three strategies at the top. Let's put them into practice. Sorry, I'm in the way of some of these questions. Let's see what we can find out. So listen carefully. When I read it out, we'll pause and we'll see if we can work it out. That is their dog chasing the cat. So we have a pause of the video, see if you can work it out. I can use the strategy, does it belong to something? Does the dog belong to somebody? Yes, it does. So it could be T-H-E-I-R. Is it a place? Well, it doesn't talk about a place, so it can't be T-H-E-R-E. And if I say they are, that is they are dog chasing the cat, doesn't make sense. So it has to be my first one, T-H-E-I-R. Did you work that one out too? Let's go for number 2. When you see Justin and Eric, tell them they're late. So use one of your strategies, pause the video, see if you can work it out. How did you get on? Did you work it out that they are talking about a place? No, that didn't work. Something belongs to them? Not really. If I say they are late, does that make sense? Yes, it does. Tell them they are late. So it must be the pink. They are T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E late. And the last one is, I wonder if my ball is over there. Is that one too difficult or is it pretty easy? Shall we just do it really quickly together? I'm talking it's a place, isn't it? My ball is over there. You can point to it. Therefore, we can say it's T-H-E-R-E. So let's practice. There are 7 questions for you to work through. So pause the video, work through them. You need to write them down. They will be in Google Classroom for you as well. Okay? So I hope you had fun. Hope you learnt something. I'd love to see the results of your practicing. Ka kite anō.